everybody, and welcome back to the MindCatcher's channel. Let's just jump into this foundation, why don't we? Everything's all moisturized and everything. For my primer today, I'm going to use, I have a little sample here of the Professional from Benefit. So I'm going to use that as my primer. Definitely put it in my oily areas, the T-zone. So I'm going to shake up the foundation just a bit. You guys know my discoloration. You've been following me for a while. Under the chin area, on both sides of my face, I have discoloration. But other than that, I have clear skin. I don't have any active acne or anything like that. So that's what it looks like on the back of my hand. I'm using my Sigma flat kabuki brush. This is the F80. All right, so for my under eye highlight and everything, I think I'm gonna go with Deep Chestnut, and that's for the concealer. I'm not gonna wait, gonna go ahead and work this in because I don't know what this concealer will do. And I don't want it to stiffen up and not blend in. Right now it looks like it's blending pretty good. So that's very pretty. It blended out pretty nicely. It's definitely like a full coverage. I guess thus the name camouflage or camo. And again, I'm gonna take my foundation brush and just go around that. Yeah, it kind of dries down quickly, so you got to be careful with it. And I'm not adding any foundation to this brush. I don't know if I mentioned that. I'm not adding any foundation to the brush, just using whatever is left on the brush to just blend out the edges. My Pretty Vulgar, I got it in a BoxyCharm. This is translucent setting powder. So I'm going to go with the deepest shade to contour a bit, and this is Rich Ebony. This isn't as deep as I thought it would be, but that's okay. Not a bust on my cheeks. I just have to, I guess, go over it with a powder that's a little darker, but it's okay. You see around my forehead, areas that are naturally a little lighter. It looks pretty, and you can really see the difference in the color up there. And as an all-over face powder, I'm going to use this one from Becca. This one is in dark golden. I'm just swirling around in that and just going to press. I do notice when I don't apply powder quickly, I will crease with most foundations around my laugh lines and my mouth area. So I'm not blaming Elle for that. I knew that was possibly going to be the case no matter what, but we're gonna go ahead and try to fix that. So I'm gonna use a little bit of ebony powder from Black Radiance just to go around the areas that I put a little contour. All right, I'm going to put a little blush on because I'm feeling blushy today. I'm gonna use a Real Techniques, what is this one? This one is the Multitask brush, and I'm using a blush palette from Stilazzi. I'm going to spray a little bit of Tarte's Ready Set Radiant spray. just to get that powdery look down a bit. So I'm gonna work on my eyes and everything. e.l.f. did give me a few freebies when I ordered and everything. This eyeshadow, this is a cream eyeshadow, it's called Nude Linen. So I'm gonna give that a try. I'm just gonna keep everything nice and nude and simple. I might throw on a lash, but that's about it, because I want you really to see the makeup, you know, see what I put on my face. That's what the video is really about. So we're gonna keep it going. I'm gonna put this to some music and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm trying out something new. This is almost like a video full of new products. I'm using the Lancome mascara booster, and it was sent to me by the company by way of Octoly, and I've always loved the Hypnose drama, and this one is in different packaging. It's called the Starlight Sparkle. This is the mascara, and the Hypnose drama mascara is just awesome in my opinion. It had my bottom lashes popping. So I'm thinking that if you have a primer to go with this stuff, my lashes should be like, wow. So I'm gonna test that out today. Because not all the time do we want to put on falsies. If we could get away with wearing our own lashes, especially ladies who say, I don't know how to put on lashes on my own, you know, I want to try to work with what I got, this would be a great alternative. So I am a big fan of mascara primers. So Lancome has this. I love the shape of this one and the combs. It looks like it's really going to comb out my lashes. And I don't have much of a lash to begin with. All right, guys, so with the mascara I just put on, I feel like it gave me a lot of length but not a lot of thickness. I really like how it pulled my lashes out. It has my bottom lashes looking just like I like them. So nice and separated and long, but the top lashes, I would like for this mascara or any mascara that I use to kind of build them up, make them look a little bit more voluminous. So it did a great job in lengthening but not volumizing. All right, so I'm gonna apply a lash to go over this and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I'm gonna just finish up my face here. I'm using the Black Radiance Contour Palette, the new one in Dark to Deep. Just going to use the highlight shade from that. Highlight my inner corner here. Lightly highlight my cheekbones. And I do have a little review on this palette as well. And we're going to spray some of the Urban Decay setting spray. I'm going to go ahead and put on a little bit of lipstick. I'm using a Palladio lip liner. I'm going to use a little bit of Mented Cosmetics Nude La La. And on top of that, I'm going to use Platos Cave, and this is by Allegory Story. And that is your completed look. So I hope this video wasn't too long for you. Think it's a nice little neutral, nudish. Gave you a little pop of something with the MAC. I brought it back. The MAC Pigment in Melon. I love this. Beautiful. Like that. Guys, I am overly ecstatic about this foundation. This is absolutely gorgeous. This is a beautiful compliment to my skin tone. It looks like skin. Right now it's behaving itself. I can't wait to try one of my more mattifying primers just to see. But for right now, it looks gorgeous. All right, so we are going to, I'm going to give it my stamp of approval right now. If I have any problems with it, I'll definitely come back and let you guys know. I will talk to you guys in the next video. Cyber kisses. Bye.